chill with me while I help a friend add some greenery to their patio right quick. You feel me? So a friend of ours recently moved and wanted to add a little flavor to their patio and asked me to help them fill this planter box with the privacy screen. So we popped over to Home Depot to pick up all the things we would need to get this job done. We picked up this beauty here. This is a Mandevilla Sun parasol. And we picked out our soil. Plus we scooped up a couple of jasmine plants to go with our Mandevilla. And just like that, we back to unload everything and get this project started. While we unload everything, this is the perfect time for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already doing so. And so let's get back into it. So now we're gonna go ahead and fill the planter box with a nice base layer of potting soil, really making sure that we get a nice even distribution through the bottom of the planter. And for this project, we ended up using 2.5 to 3 of the big bags of the Miracle-Gro potting mix. Then we're just gonna go ahead and smooth everything out, make sure again we have that nice even distribution. And now we're ready to get these plants in the planter box. So we're gonna start with our first jasmine plant, just kind of leaning on the pot a little bit just to ease it, make it a little easier to get out of the pot. And then once we get it out of its pot, we're gonna go ahead and put that in the planter box. And we're gonna go ahead and tease those roots a little bit, break up those roots just so they have some room to spread out. And then we're gonna do the same with our Mandevilla. We're gonna go ahead and tease those roots and open them up a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our last plant in, doing the exact same thing, find the right spot. And then we're gonna make sure everything is nice and exactly where we want it. And now we're just gonna fill it in with some dirt. You see my ass over here scooping with my hands. Let me get smart about it and go ahead and pour that dirt in. And once all the dirt's in, now we can start arranging the plants the way we want. Y'all say what's up to my wife who helped out on this project and was a big help for sure. Now we're gonna go ahead and start training our jasmine and Mandevilla plants using some wire. And while we do that, let's talk a little bit about why we chose these plants in particular. So our friend really wanted something that was going to be beautiful, but also appeal to the senses, and most importantly, cover the privacy screen with greenery. So that's why the jasmine and the Mandevilla are such a great choice for this project, because the jasmine really appeals to the senses with a nice fragrance, while the Mandevilla has eye-popping flowers. And over time, these plants will grow to cover the privacy screen, creating the perfect place for our friend to sit back, chill, and relax on her beautiful patio. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe to my channel, go out and like, share, comment. And as always, I hope that helps, and y'all keep blooming.